My name's Ryan Downey. I've been working on cars, been around cars, been at the track pretty much my whole life. My dad, when I was growing up, always raced Nissans, and I've never really strayed far from that. This is Hilliard Automotive, where we're at. It's where I'm the shop foreman, and it's where we build these cars. I started out road racing. I did that for a long time. I found myself back in the seat of a drift car, and I haven't stopped. These cars are both S13s. This is the new one for this year, for 2025. This is my old car behind me that's going to get fully facelifted for this season. And both of these cars I run fluid dampeners on. I met Nick at Grid Life, Watkins Glen. We started talking about his products, and I was having a problem with the car overheating. We ended up running an undersized crank pulley on the car. I bought them at Grid Life. He drop shipped them. They showed up 2 days later in a box like Christmas, and we put the undersized pulley on this car behind me. It fixed so many problems for us, and now I put them on everything. So for drifting, it's a must-have. 2J is not the only car you're gonna have a crank pulley fall off. An LS will do the same thing. It'll break at those 3 points, and you'll lose a dampener. And the insurance that the fluid dampener gives you with their product, it's just fantastic. So let's talk about the dampeners that I run on these cars. I run the truck style dampener. What we've figured out with Nick's help is that we run an underdrive lower pulley. And what that does for us is it spins the water pump slower, and we get less cavitation, we get better cooling. All these cars are budget built, so to be able to go to AutoZone and get an alternator or go and get a power steering pump, all of my stuff comes from local parts stores. There's no high-end stuff, and I get away with that because we run the underdrive pulley, and it slows the RPM of the water pump, the power steering, and the alternator at high RPMs at slow speeds. And to be able to work with a company that helped me solve this problem of the car overheating and of us wearing out alternators, it's been really great. I think that's something that, you know, Fluid Dampener doesn't talk enough about, the benefits of slowing all the other pulleys down, and it's really changed my program.